Hi, my name's Darren Newton. I'm a designer at Multimarine and we design the DasCat range. And at the moment we're inside Easy Tiger, which is a DasCat 995. This boat's currently one of the Mokra racing boats that race out of Plymouth and do various Mokra and Rorke races. Presently looking for an owner to own a share on this boat. She is up half share for £85,000. It's a very sporty racer cruiser that is very comfortable. You can see the saloon is very nice and a comfortable table drops down to create an enormous great double berth. We have a galley on this side which has a sink, water and hob with a rather nifty little drain for when the old pasta boils over or the rice. There's a heads compartment forward and twin berths aft. At the moment it's got the sails in here because she's been all laid up for the winter. Little shelf for storage on the outboard side. Let's just walk over to the navigation side. It's a super comfortable saloon. I've enjoyed a few trips on this boat. It's really responsive and easy to sail. So this is the navigation side. Simple electrical setup. Got a chart table, VHF radio, switches for the instrumentation, all sorts of bits and bobs. There's a bunk room forward, suitable for a couple of kids or even a couple of adults will squeeze in there. And then on the aft side here you've got a double cabin. At the moment both sets of mattresses are in one side because the sails are being stored in the other. She was highly modified by us only about a year and a half ago. She's very light, she only weighs about 3 tons and it's a tiller steering boat, so very responsive and fun to sail. We'll go on outside and have a little look round. So here we are in the cockpit of Easy Tiger, the DasCat 995. So one of the things I really love about this boat is you have tiller steering, so it makes it very easy to sail, very comfortable, very enjoyable. You have the full feel of the helm when you're driving the boat. You have your primary winches right in front of you, so you can, tail a traveller and really sort of push it hard. Got the main and trav basically running to this station, and we cross sheet the spinnaker to this side as well. There are twin outboards down in the lockers here, so they can kick up and reduce the drag for when you're sailing. They're Daihatsu 9.9. Up on the deck we've got the clutches for the halyards and jib sheets and spinnaker tack line, as well as a couple of solar panels. It's all pretty much cockpit controlled. There's a few lines left up on the mast on this one to keep it simple. But we've got synthetic rigging, a 15-metre aluminium mast with double diamonds and a set of synthetic sails. She's very quick, very enjoyable to sail. Yeah, one of my favourite boats. Pair of carbon fibre daggerboards here. Keep the boat going up to windward very well. It also tacks like a little dinghy, so it's very easy to manoeuvre. Forward you have a fixed spinnaker pole, anchor, self-tacking jib and a nice net to lounge on. We're just about to fit a new windlass to the boat, so it can make it easier for raising and lowering the anchor. It's a great little boat. It's a really fantastic entry-level boat. Again, we have this one and we have a whole range of different DasCats in our range. There's an early 10 metre just behind us, and this is the more modern version with the 995 roof. And next to us here there's Bare Necessities, which is a 12 metre version. Easy Fit, Simon's boat, which is one of the biggest boats in the DasCat range. It's a fantastic boat. There's 2 of those here, Apollo and Hissy Fit. They've been racing this year and it's been super exciting. Originally Easy Tiger was an open deck boat, and a year and a half ago the owners came along and asked us if we'd actually build a bridge deck for it. So we actually removed the existing aluminium beams and built a new composite structure, wet deck and saloon roof for it. So it's made it a lot more comfortable and nicer to be on board. She's been racing in the Plymouth Falmouth Foy and our local events. One of the owners has gone off to do some long distance sailing, and so it's available to someone who wants to come along and join the fleet for racing and see what it's all about.
If you'd like to find out more about Easy Tiger or any of the boats on our brokerage, contact info@multihullcentre.co.uk or call 01752 823 900.